How to change font in Wix. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change fonts. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your wix.com. You will select the website you want to edit, and it will take you to your editor.wix.com. So here we are. There are two ways we can change the font of the text that we have on our website. If you want to change the font of your website completely, overall font, everything, then you're going to go to the site design right here. Click on color and text theme, customize, click on text, and it will take you to the text theme. Here we have a lot of different styles and fonts available that we can select for the headings and paragraph text and body text as well. So you can see right here. Now I can change the heading font for my website. Like all of the pages, all of the headings on all of the pages will be changed with this. Similarly, I can change the color too of my text that I have on my website. So this is for the overall text of the website. If you want to, let's say, change the font of a text that you have on a page. So you will select that text right here. You can see, select the text, click on edit text, and it will allow you to change the font. You can see we have fonts. It's a drop down that gives you a lot of different options to choose from. And I can completely change the font of the text that I have on my page. I can also change now the theme. We can also change the color for the text. This is how you change font on Wix. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.